Welcome to EZO. We're here to make charging your EV quick, simple, and stress-free. To get started, download the EZO app from the Apple or Google Play Store and set up your account. In the app, you'll find two ways to pay. 1. EZO Wallet. Top it up anytime and use your balance to charge. 2. EZO Charge and Go. Just add your card and pay as you go, based on energy used. Using our G6, you've got two easy options via the app. We always recommend that you plug in the charger first, then open the app, tap on Map and select Charger. Select the charger and connector. Tap Select and charging will commence. When finished, open the app, stop the session, and unplug your EV. With your EZO fob or RFID card, plug in the charger. Tap your fob or RFID card. Charging starts automatically. To stop, tap fob or RFID card and it stops automatically. Unplug your EV. If you need support, please call our 24/7 support line. Thank you for charging with EZO.